How's it? Buenos dias, muchachos. Estamos aquí con el Paco. We're here to see Lance Pillay, owner and operator of ERF Racing, or ERF. Is it ERF? No, it's not ERF. It's ERF Racing. Notorious for building quick Corollas, quick Golfs, and notorious for building this baby. This is El Paco. It's a SR20 rear-wheel drive caddy. It was featured in Speed and Sound last month. Yeah, last month. He's going to give us a quick tour on his workshop, what he's been working on. But more importantly, we're going to get behind the scenes with El Paco. And why it made 700 kilowatts at RCB's Diner Day. That's incredible, 700 kilowatts.
Hi, my name is Lance Pillay. I own ERF Racing and welcome to my workshop.
Lance Pillay. Are you originally from here or what?
No, Durban.
Talk to me about El Paco because it made Speed and Sound last month.
It was always a dream of mine
to
make a VW rear-wheel drive. I wanted to do it with my Golf. We decided the wheelbase was too short. This was one of my friend's bakis. He started the build. Okay, I got the baki from him and I finished the build. They had a 16-valve turbo first, and then obviously I broke it.
What did you do?
It threw a
Over boost?
You know the boost story. We like boost.
Yeah.
So we broke it. Then I decided, you know what, let me put my SR20 in here. Then we did the diff, obviously. We broke the gearbox, the first one. Now we put GD6, triple pack clutch, you know.
Before we go there, I just want to know, is this the only rear-wheel drive turbo caddy in Gauteng?
I think there's 2 or 3, but my goal was to be the first 10-second caddy.
Is it a 10-second?
It's a 10-second.
What's your PB?
10.4.
At what speed?
219.
219?
219.
That's good. What's your boosting?
Okay, we
Look into my eyes and tell me what you're boosting.
No, we went at 1.9 bar. There's a lot of more boost that we can put in.
How much boost? What is your ideal boost?
2.7 bar. My Golf also 2.7 bar. Like Henry, my tuner, always tells me when I get there, are we tuning this thing to a normal boost of yours, meaning 2.5, 2.7, you know. He says, I don't bring any Caddy that's under a bar.
So there's no golf motor.
There's no golf.
Why is that? Are you tired of golfs?
No.
Because I know you've been tinkering with golfs for quite some time.
No. My plan for the new year is to put the golf motor back in.
Oh, so you're going back to the dark side?
Back to the dark side.
Okay, what motor?
16 volt ABF.
Okay, you tried and tested?
Yeah, we got a recipe. You know, my golf went 10-1. So, and it makes good horsepower. So I was thinking to build another motor, which I have, I just need to put it together and maybe stick it in.
But you've always been an SR20 fan, huh?
This SR20 VBLs is something else. Let's say VBL is bass, you know.
Is it bass?
Yeah, it's bass. You see in my bakkie, El Paco, and he says, let's do something here, but let's go wild, you know.
So how wild did you go?
Yes, it made yesterday at Henry 538 kilowatt.
On the wheels?
On the wheels. And you'll actually see the rubber. You couldn't even, you're taking out chunks of the tire.
SR20.
SR20, that's it.
Oh man. 530 you say?
538. With a lot of wheels, man. A lot of wheels.
What did Henry say?
You know, Henry is an Opel guy. Yeah, he knows now who's his boss. BBL is boss. Yeah, Nissan. On this one, it's got cams. It's a proper built head. The bottom end is fully done.
What about this baby?
This is my old car. Had a Lexus in, put a 2J in. It was my street car, you know. And then not long ago, my friend Mr. Morney wanted me and picked me for this car, and now it's his car.
Obviously, you've got a bit of a reputation for Corollas and Golfs.
Yes. From the Corolla started off with my my gold car, was also in the speed and sound. It was called El Toro.
Yeah. Outdoor.
Also SR20, that was my nice street car, 10.5, you could drive it in the street. It had sounding, it was a nice car, and it started from there with the Corollas.
Yeah. Can you show me those other two cars in the back there? Let's go then. Maybe you can tell me what you're going to be doing to them. Because I saw them immediately. I didn't even notice the Corollas or the Golfs. That's the first thing I saw was them. So if these were your cars, what would you do?
You know, I'm a fan of most of the cars, you know.
Look at this beautiful CRX, man. Look at this.
Yeah, I know these are Leonard's cars.
So if this was your car, would it have a Golf or a SR20?
No, I'll keep it Honda.
Oh, would you?
Yeah, I'll keep it Honda because...
You're just saying that because I'm here.
No. I did have a Golf with a Honda motor and it's really strong.
Can you show me?
Yeah, you should. This is going to make you happy, Joe.
Yeah, I'm quite moist. What's the story? Because I'm sure I've seen this Golf before.
Yeah, but
it looks pretty basic.
Pretty basic, but it's a fully built motor.
Next is going for the tune. You're busy running it in?
Yeah, we're running it in and we're tuning it on Monday.
What are you expecting to make?
We're expecting 500 horse from it. I did tune it before at a bar. It made 430 horse.
Okay.
So now we put in ethanol, bigger injectors, obviously. We're going to give it 1.5. And
then you're going to fall in love. And then you're not going to do...
honestly, I did fall in love before I sold it. Man, when that VTEC comes in, it's something else.
Say it again?
When that VTEC comes in, it's something else.
Say it again? What is this El Paco? Where did that name originate from?
You know, we was thinking, you should know my Corolla was El Toro. My guy Tony Grippo got a hold of him and then we sat down and we both came up with El Paco. You know, it's a childhood thing at the game shop.
So if I bring you a car, yeah, maybe we can name it El Jolo.
Yeah, we can try.
What's your biggest learning curve with this car?
Getting it to go straight.
Why was it always going skew or what?
No, it's sideways,
Yeah, scary sideways.
It's scary sideways. Yeah.
So
I lost it a few times.
Did you?
Yeah, I did lose it a few times. That's why you'll never see me race it to the semi.
You never thought of going meth?
No, I didn't.
Too much work?
Yeah, it's the maintenance.
Not for
and
you,
I
huh?
did, you know what, in my golf, I did run meth when we ran the 10-1. Once we came from the race and I forgot to drain and flush it. It killed my pumps, it killed my filters, and it killed my injectors. So I used the ethanol and I put the lube in and it shot.
Yeah. So in this stock form, it did hit 700 kilowatts at RCB down there.
Yes. We were shocked. We thought, no, maybe there was something wrong. So we done it about 2 or 3 times, and every time we done it, the power went up. Jeez. And I kept on turning the tap, obviously. And yeah, man, it surprised me.
What do you think it'll be like with full 6 on the prep track? Something like that, 700 kilowatts.
It has to go 9. It has to go mid 9.
Yeah.
In fact, if you put a Liberty in it or something, it'll go 8 with that power, Like this, if I can get it into the 9, I'll be happy.
So when it hits a 9, you're going to take it out, put a Golf motor?
Yeah, that's yeah.
ABF?
Yeah.
You got other Golfs here that have ABF?
Yeah, we got a few in the shop.
Are we going to go have a look?
Yeah, let's go.
Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button so you don't miss the next episode of Santa Muerta! Santa Muerta!
This thing won't start first time out, man.
And it's methanol.
Yeah, exactly, methanol. It's going to take half an hour, man. So where does the name come from?
Santa Myrtle. Santa
Who's your tuner?
Henry.
Is that him?
We put a fuel check in. 16 valve turbo.
You know Slayer's a big metal band. South of Heaven.
Okay. I don't know where the ugly duckling came from.
Maybe because it was ugly.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. We've partnered up with Insta360. In our new video, we tried out the incredible Insta360 One RS Twin Edition action camera. With its unique twin edition design, we can capture both the front and rear of the action simultaneously. It's like we're right in the middle of the action. Plus, with its intuitive editing software, we can add even more excitement to our videos, bringing our audience along for the ride. The Insta360 One RS has become an essential tool in our filmmaking arsenal. If you're keen to get one, visit the Speed and Sound website and order yours now.